Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Crypto use in emerging market driven by necessity. KuCoin Labs had key differences in the use and development of cryptocurrencies come to the fore as blockchain economy Istanbul continues to focus on emerging markets. The proliferation of cryptocurrencies around the world has been driven by different use cases, with key differences becoming apparent between developed and emerging market environments. Lau Yu, who heads up KuCoin Labs, tackled the subject after a keynote address during the second day of Blockchain Economy Istanbul in Turkey. In an exclusive interview with Cointelegraph, Yu unpacked her experience working with a variety of projects and companies around the world and the key differences between primary and secondary markets. KuCoin operates in over 200 countries globally and is well placed to provide insight into the trading habits and trend as well as the innovation in the space. Given that it lists, invests and supports various cryptocurrency and blockchain-focused projects, you know that trading communities are particularly active in emerging markets, more so than their developed counterparts, which are less active despite superior amount of capital. While these emerging markets use cryptocurrencies frequent, projects from these areas could do better to aim their service at local markets. The potential for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies to tackle unique challenges in emerging markets has been a theme at Blockchain Economy Istanbul, and you also believe that industry-shaping projects could well emerge from developing countries. The KuCoin Labs had highlighted the propensity for developed markets like Europe and the United States to use blockchain primarily for cryptocurrencies. Meanwhile, emerging markets are using the technology not only to use and trade cryptocurrencies but build tools and products to solve vexing problems. You say that emerging countries are more in need of the fundamental infrastructure in Web 3 to solve problems that Web 2 hasn't. She also notes that much of the KuCoin Labs portfolio is made up of projects from developed countries. The projects that do hail from emerging countries don't focus on offering their product or service to their local market, instead focusing on addressing and serving the wider cryptocurrency ecosystem. You stressed that the incubator has been focused on connecting the ecosystem by working with other exchanges, launchpads as well as Layer 1 and Layer 2 protocols. Financial investment in projects from emerging markets is a focal point alongside networking and building potential business partnerships. Crypto use in emerging markets driven by necessity. KuCoin Labs had key differences in the use and development of cryptocurrencies come to the fore as blockchain economy Istanbul continues to focus on emerging markets. The proliferation of cryptocurrencies around the world has been driven by different use cases, with key differences becoming apparent between developed and emerging market environments. Lau Yu, who head up KuCoin Labs, tackled the subject.
So thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.